So today, cauliflower or gobi, a very, very simple, quick curry. It's not swimming, it's fairly dry, it's not swimming in a masala, nice and dry, vegetarian, healthy, quick, spicy, Indian, vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got there 3 cups of cauliflower. You can see how I've cut that into fairly small pieces. And then I've got 2 teaspoons of turmeric and 2 of chili powder. We're gonna get that in a mixing bowl, give it a little mix up. Okay, here we go. Now you can see that I've got a glove on because I'm going to get in there and mix this all around. Back in a moment. So you can see our cauliflower on the side there. Then we've got 1 cup of onion, 1 cup or 1 decent sized tomato, chunky cut, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then again we've now got a teaspoon each of chili and turmeric with cumin and coriander. Fresh chili to taste, entirely up to you how much you want to put in. Tablespoon garlic ginger paste. So in my pan there I've got some oil. I've got like 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil you want. I'm actually using a mustard oil today, but corn oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil will be nice in this. 2 teaspoons of the cumin seeds. Now I've just put the heat on and it's above medium, it's fairly lively. To that we're going to add a cup of onion and we're going to go for 3 minutes. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Beautiful. Then we're going to go tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Just going to drop in those chilies. You can buy it in many stores depending on where you live, or like us we make it ourselves because we just use tons of it here. Next up we're going to drop in the seasoned cauliflower and we're going to go for 4 minutes, staying on this lively high heat, and we're going to be stirring it pretty much all of the time. Let's get some salt in the mix. Then we're going to go for the extra powders, 1 teaspoon each. Chili, turmeric, coriander, cumin powder, or if you want you could just use a curry powder you have, but I think the separate spices are so much better. We're now going to drop in that 1 tomato or a cup of tomatoes. You can see it's roughly chopped. And we're going to go with about a cup of water. Four more minutes, stirring, stirring, stirring. We've pretty much done it. Look at that, beautiful. So off goes the heat. You can see those tomatoes have broken down. They give off a little bit more moisture. I mean, it's not too much in there, as you can see. What we're going to do now is add a little bit of garam masala powder, which is a beautiful little kind of finishing powder. That stuff there. Cilantro, coriander in the mix. Job done. Beautiful. There you go. Job done. Really, really simple and beautiful. Nice little gobi or cauliflower, whatever you call that curry. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.